Hello everyone, it's CryptoCop. Welcome back. This video is about the AI agents like Griefin, AI16z, Avaai XBT. These 4 to 5 coin I'm just going to cover in this video. These are the leading AI agents and a bigger picture that is very important, and we are just going to discuss that how high and when we can just pump, when the bottom will in on these coin. Okay, so before starting, make sure subscribe and turn on the notifications to never ever miss the upcoming updates, and do not forget to hit the like button. I'm just going to start with the Griefin, $37 million market cap and almost $10 million volume today, and 0.03747 is a Griefin price. This is the chart. These AI agents are actually one step ahead from all the meme coin market or all that altcoin that are just moving. Why I'm saying this? Because the last time AI16z dumped down and retraced back downside towards its lowest, and Griefin also falling, Avaai also, they did all that correction stuff first, and then whole meme coin market like WIF and all the big coins start dumping down due to the war fraud, you can say, but they are just following the technical things. Okay, so now the question is the correction over or not, guys? I'm just going to show you something. We just pump upside, that was the top, and that candle was indicating that this is a reversal candle, a big sell off. And now after reaching toward the lowest area, we are again getting the same kind of a candle. Very least bullish it is, but this is a bullish sign that the buyer are interested to buy this coin around at these areas. So from here I can say that this is the bottom for the Griefin coin. Okay, and we are also making bullish divergence here, and this is the first sign after 1 2 3 4 5 6 weeks of a correction. This is the first sign, and I think so the price will remain here in this region by like we will again hit upside to the 45, 46, something like this. Price need to start consolidating here and start attempting to break this resistance level of 52. Okay, some more time here would be more better, and then we can just break out upside toward the 12 cents, and this time we can even go higher toward the 20 or 29, but consolidation is required here in this region. Okay, this is a weekly frame, guys. I think it will take some time, not going to happen tomorrow. Okay, each candle is of 7 days. So Griefin seems like it just bottom out. Okay, and downside is very much limited. What is the downside on Griefin? Simply like we are 37, and if we wick downside toward that lower, like 28, which is almost 20%. But what about the upside? Upside is just going to be like 2000%. So you have to decide what you are buying, and what level you are just watching right now. Okay, so what about XBT? XBT is also getting rejection exactly from 14 cents, 15 cents. You can see a big rejection. But this coin is telling us like a trap pattern, it is a manipulation going on. Not clear. What is the downside? Downside is this here at this level. And I think we are just very much close to the bottom level. We can again wick downside toward that area of the 10 cents on XBT or even lower, but overall the downside is also very much limited on this coin. 24-25% down, and upside is like 500%. This is the macro picture, guys. We need a consolidation here, attempt to break this area, and then we can just start moving upside toward 33 cents to 66 cents. So if you are looking to accumulate this coin, these are the zones from 89 to 12 cents. What about the AI16z? AI16z is just getting rejection from the 16 something, and it is just standing at the lowest support level, a recent bottom or recent low of 10 cents. It is not showing any kind of strength here. It is just bleeding, looking very much weaker than all other coin. But Griefin was looking good to me, better than Griefin, better than AI16z or So now we can expect a big downside toward the 10 cents again. Very much normal for this coin if we goes down toward that area, which is almost a 25% down. And what about the upside? Upside is going to be 1500% for the long term. But first, we need to wait for the price to get settled at somewhere, find its bottom, consolidation for some weeks, and then we can expect. What about Avaai AI? Avaai AI and Griefin are same charts, exactly the same. Okay, but Avaai bottom is at 18 something. And I think that we can just again get rejection from this area and we can just dump back downside toward 12 something, high likely, because it is not showing any kind of a strength even after reaching this area. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 weeks of a correction. First candle, we need to reclaim back above 31 to see this kind of a move, something like this. But overall, I think so. Not telling us anything clear. We need a confirmation here. The downside, what is the downside on this? Downside is like 27%, same as Griefin, and upside is 1000%, like 10x. Okay. So our AI need more time here, and I think this is not a good time to get enter. Wait for the stability somewhere, a bottom candle, something like this here at 17 or something. We can expect again within just next 2 3 weeks. Okay, so these are the coins and analysis, bigger picture I share with you about all the AI agents. The best coin right now is Griefin, and after that XBT, and then Avaai AI16Z is looking so weak to me. Overall, everything is just having a correction. I think we need to wait for some days or even week to price get settled somewhere, and then we can start jumping and accumulating for the upside move. So here was my thought and analysis about these four coins. Always do your own research before buying and selling anything. Thank you and bye bye.